Hi there, I am Theo and I would like to show you how to weld a sheet metal on a metal tube. And to do this, oh, show it all. To do this with spikes on a tube, but it's a curved one, so not straight, horizontal or vertical. You also can do this with this what I made, for example. And what's the most nice of it, if you go to the front view and put on the distance, you can show the angle instead of the millimeters between one hole and the other hole. So this is far easier. Okay, I would like to show you how to draw this in a simple and a proper way. So let's go to a new file. I make one. And I would like to draw the container and not the tube. The tube is maybe too easy. So let's start with a circle. Now let's start with the view. I take the front view as this one. So the z-axis is going upwards. It's okay for me. Make a circle of 96 millimeter. And make another one of 100. Now I have to deselect it. And one of 96 millimeter. Okay, after this I'm gonna draw a horizontal line because I like to get rid of the upper parts and I don't need this line anymore. And I'm gonna draw a few lines of 100 millimeter. Take this line and replace it 2 millimeter, so it's the same as the other one. Okay, take this all, put in the control key to copy and replace it and put it on the proper place. So like this. I got a new shape, U shape now. I'm gonna extrude this 200 millimeter, so select the stuff and there it is. And now we have to make the spikes on it for a easy welding or whatever. In my case I use the work plane on, so this one is for me important to work on the right place, on the right spot. Select the object, I select this part and this surface. In the front view we got this. I'm gonna use the double line with an offset of 3 millimeter. 3. As you can see, it's not in the middle now. It has to go up for 1.5, 1.5. After that, we can use the polar duplicate from this point. I make it 4 times 60 degree in the minus because I go from here to the left. We got them. 4 points. Now I'm gonna draw another one, another line. Mistake. Another line from here to here. Also with an offset of 3 millimeter. I place them in the first over here. I move it upwards 45 millimeter. And now I keep the control key down to copy replace it. It's on Windows and not on a Mac. But I'm almost sure that you know how to do it on a Mac. Now I select it all because I would like to use the push-pull, and the push-pull only works by selecting all the lines. And now I take another view to push-pull my points. I need this one, I use 3mm, and later I show you why. 3, I have to do this 8 times, so it will take a minute or so. And 3mm. 3. 3. You cannot select them all and do it in one time. I tried this, but in my case it doesn't work, so I had to do it one by one. 3mm. Okay, that's done. Let's take the front view, select it all. I'm gonna place these in another layer, construction, and I switch the construction layer off because I don't need them any longer. In fact, it's done. It's proper because in a lot of cases, if you're gonna draw on a surface, you get a line from here to here, and if your surface has to be one part, it's in this way. So now you get here a nice line goes from here over. It's just one surface. That makes it nice. Okay, we're gotta go back to the front. I'm gonna draw. Oh, it's not on the right place. A smart polygon from here until about here. This is 100mm. I draw one of 110 and I replace it 5mm back, -5. I'm gonna extrude this one, in my case -3mm, and it's on the right place, as you can see. I would like to take another color for this one, the color more, and this. Okay, now you can see it's exactly coming through this sheet metal plate. The only thing I got to do is subtract the one from the other. So from this subtract this one, but I don't press it because I always go first to the options and don't use a hide parent, because it's not hiding, but it's really disappearing. It's you can find it back. I mean, I couldn't. So I switch this off. I tell OK, subtract this from this, and now you got the holes in the sheet metal. I will show only. So there they are. In fact, that's it all, folks. Show it all. And now hide this one. And this one, a layer, construction. Okay. So now it's looking perfect. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.